Hey everybody, today is the last video you have to watch. I will be back tomorrow. So everybody applaud. I'm sure you missed me and are super excited to have me back. So there's one more activity to do today, and I will show you how to do that. Now that you guys have finished reading Exploring the Titanic, you've answered all the questions and the sub has gone through the answers. The second thing you guys are going to do is I'm going to give you a person who is either on the Titanic or a person who is somehow involved with the Titanic. And what I mean by that is you all have certain roles. Now, this is just period one. Period two and period three, everybody has a role. So as you guys open this up to see your roles, you will have a person's name on the left and your name on the right. So you'll need to make sure you look through this list and find out who it is you are going to be researching. So once you look and you find that person, then you go back to the Google Classroom and you're going to go to the raft role research questions. What you're going to do is you're going to have to answer or get as many details as you can about your person. So first you'll need to write down your person's name, and then you're going to look for the questions. Where are they from? What's their occupation? What social class do they belong in? Why were they on the Titanic? Are they married? Do they have children? Who are their parents? Did they die or survive the Titanic or the trip on the Titanic? If they survived, how did they survive? And if they survived the trip, where did they go and what did they do there? Now, again, you might not be able to find all the answers to these questions. So, what to do if you can't find them? I want you to make them up. Now, I want you to try and have it be as realistic as possible. So, obviously, if you say they survived the Titanic because aliens came down and sucked them into their spaceship, that's not very realistic. So, just make sure that if you make up any answers, you make it as realistic as you possibly can. So, for example, if my person was Captain Smith, the captain of the Titanic, what I'm going to probably want to do is go to Google and just do some research about that person. Try and find out as much information as possible. So Google here is going to give me a little information. Of course, there's Wikipedia, but Wikipedia, we all know people can change things. So I want you to maybe stay away from Wikipedia. Go to things like biography.com or encyclopediabritannica.org. This is a great website, and a lot of you will find most of your information right here. So I would highly recommend encyclopedia.titanica.org. A lot of this information will answer the questions. Now remember, if you can't find your information here, you will make it up. Make it as realistic as possible. Any questions? All right, if you need to watch this video again, go ahead and rewatch this video.